What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Meg. Over here is Luna, of course. I swear she hears the camera click on because it makes like a little da-da-da-da, and then she always has to run up to wherever I am and lay down. So she wants to be a little YouTube star herself, don't you? In today's video, normally I would do a vlog or a crystal video, but I have actually created a whole crystal channel. So I decided to go with the concept of Crystal Corner, and I created that channel. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, and I will go through other topics because it's not just going to be crystals, I will list off the other topics in a second. If you just want to pop over, say hey, maybe hit that subscribe button, I would really truly appreciate it. So on Crystal Corner, of course, we're gonna go through the Crystal Bible, my collection, the meaning of crystals, how to take care of them, the different formations, how they work, healing properties, etc., etc. I also want to talk about my own journey with holistic healing over there. So for example, I want to talk about Reiki sessions and my experiences with them. My experience with Akashic Records, I just had one last night. It was absolutely like mind-blowing. Like I felt very in tune to my psyche, inner psyche, and I was having so many different connections afterwards. So that is going to be a really fun experience / story time video. I also want to talk about meditation, number pathology, astrology, what else? Love languages, personality tests, just going through all that, sharing what my experience is, educating you guys about it more, educating myself on a lot of this because I'm so new. I'm just dipping my toes into the surface of what a huge ocean of this information is. So if any of that sounds appealing or interesting, please check out my channel and be sure to subscribe to it. So that is it. It is going to be a very short and sweet video for today. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see from me next on my channel. I did get the James Charles and Morphe palettes, so I've been working on filming videos. I filmed 2 so far. I want to do at least 1 more look before I can get my review together, but tutorials for that and information on that will be coming next week. So if there's anything else you would like to see, let me know. And then if there's anything you would like to see over on Crystal Corner, leave me in the comments down below, or let me know in the comments on the video on that channel. So yeah, I would really appreciate your support over there. Open up yourself to new experiences. I think you may find it more interesting than maybe you may think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos here. And if you are new, please subscribe, join the family. It's a lot of fun over here. And I will talk to you next time. Bye, everyone.